Hello, now I am reading English newspaper and the name of the newspaper is the Financial Express. And my everyday journey is reading English newspaper, but today I want to make video. The headline of the news is LPG pricing by BPC faces two-pronged opposition. The government move following BPC monopoly and pricing its liquefied petroleum gas by passing scrutiny came under a broadside from both the country's energy regulator and rights group. Sources said the protesters demanded withdrawal of the letter issued towards this direction by the Energy and Mineral Resources Division EMRD under the Ministry of Power, Energy and Mineral Resources. In the note, the division requested by Bangladesh Energy Regulatory Commission BERC to keep the fixation of LPG price of the state-run LP gas limited outside the BERC purview. Officials said the EMRD had issued the letter recently following an appeal from the state-run Bangladesh Petroleum Corporation BPC to get back the authority to fix LPG price of its subsidiary LPG Gas Limited on its own. The BERC has set retail prices of LPG over the past several months under a pricing formula following a court instruction. So fixing the LP Gas Limited's LPG outside BERC purview might be a contempt of court, said a senior BERC official. The Consumers Association of Bangladesh CAB also made a move over the matter of pricing of the much needed fuel imported to make up for natural gas shortages. In a letter to the EMRD, the rights lobby requested voiding or withdrawing its letter issued to the BERC immediately. It also requested the EMRD to bestow the authority of fixing the prices of petroleum products upon the energy regulator under provision. Provision of Article 22 of the BERC law. The CAB letter also demands distribution of the low cost LPG of the LP gas limited to slum dwellers and street food vendors in order to make life a bit easier for the hapless multitudes. Sources, however, alleged that the consumers of LPG are not getting the cooking fuel at the price fixed by the energy regulator, exposing the bottlenecks in executing the commission's order. The BERC has fixed the retail prices of LPG every month since April last following the court verdict. A 12 kg LPG cylinder provided by private operators cost Taka 1033 in September trading as per the BERC latest order. But many consumers were buying the 12 kg LPG cylinder at higher prices that the BERC fixed rate, it has been alleged. The headline of the other news is PM's birthday gift 8.0 meter get shots tomorrow in Jab Drive. A nationwide mass vaccination campaign takes place tomorrow, Tuesday, administering 8 million corona preventive jabs in what comes as Prime Minister's birthday gift. The government announced Sunday the decision on this special vaccination drive marking Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's birthday. The inoculation campaign will start at campaign will start at 9 a.m. as part of the move on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday to be celebrated on September 28th. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Zahid Malik told a virtual press conference on Sunday. He said the much needed antidote against coronavirus will be administered at around 60,000 centers in 4,600 unions and nearly 1,500 wards in municipalities and city corporations. Daily COVID. The single-day death toll from COVID-19 declined to 21st on Sunday, the lowest since May 26. However, the new cases loads showed an upward again on the day. UK motorists face queues and closures at petrol stations. Balham Motorists across the UK faced long queues for fuel on Saturday, and some filling stations were forced to close as supplies were exhausted. One of the largest filling station operators, BP, estimated that between 10 and 15% of its roughly 1,200 stations across the UK had run out of one or more grades of fuel, with a small number having closed. However, downing ample fuel stocks, and there were no shortages. The headline of the other news is another 2.5 m Pfizer vaccine doses due today. A total of 2.5 million more doses of Pfizer vaccine under COVAX facility are scheduled to reach Dhaka today, Monday, reports UNB. A cargo flight of National Airlines carrying the vaccine doses gifted by the USA will land at the Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport around 10:15 p.m., said officials at the Health Ministry. US Ambassador to Bangladesh R. Miller and DG of the Director General of Health Services, Dr. Abul Bashar Mohammad Khurshid Alam, will be present at the airport to receive the vaccine jabs. The headline, 50 to 60 piece Destiny Jubok clients may get back money, opines Commerce Minister. Commerce Minister Tipu Munshi pinned that 50 to 60% affected customers of multi-level marketing MLM companies Destiny and Jubok might get back their money. The MLM companies Destiny and Jubok had notable assets. The prices of these assets have also increased significantly now, so it is possible to refund money to 50 to 60% victim customers of the companies if the assets are sold at fair prices, he added. The minister said this while speaking as the chief guests at a workshop jointly organized by the Economy Reporters Forum and the Bangladesh Competition Commission and at the latter's office in the capital on Sunday. BCC Chairperson MD Mofizul Islam presided over the workshop. We have discussed the Destiny and Jubok issue with the Law Minister. Law Ministry is now working with issue. Mr. Munshi informed reporters at the event. Destiny and Jubok owe around $70 billion to the customers concerned. He noted the country's e-commerce sector is moving forward. We can't abandon the entire e-commerce sector for some errant platforms. The e-commerce minister said, we don't shift our responsibility regarding the country's e-commerce sector in the present situation. Rather, we are ready to shoulder the responsibility of dozens of people. Fortune still favors bankers as spread remains same. Fortune still favors bankers as spread remains same. Okay. Fortune favors the bankers as the spread remains same, though they cut interest rates both weighs on deposits and lending to match current realities. Banking sources say the interest rate spread remained unchanged in August 2021 as the banks cut their both deposit and lending rates equally. The weighted average spread between the lending and deposit rates offered by the scheduled banks remained unchanged at 3.90% in August from the previous level. It was 3.20% in June 2021. The weighted average interest rate on deposits fell further to 4.05% in August 2021 from 4.11% in the came down previous month, while such rate on lending came down to 7.24% from 7.30%, according to the Bangladesh Bank latest statistics.